Feeling stuck in a subscription you no longer need? Ever signed up for a service thinking it would be a game changer, only to realize it's just another monthly drain on your bank account? If you're nodding along, chances are you've experienced the frustration of trying to cancel a subscription, especially when the process isn't as straightforward as you'd like. Today, we're tackling a common one: how to unsubscribe from Rocket Lawyer. Rocket Lawyer is a fantastic platform, offering accessible legal documents, advice, and even attorney services. It's a great resource for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals navigating various legal needs without the hefty price tag of traditional legal counsel. From drafting wills and contracts to getting quick legal advice, it provides an invaluable service. However, like any subscription, there might come a time when your needs change. Perhaps your legal issue has been resolved, your business has evolved, or you've found an alternative solution that better fits your current situation. Maybe you initially signed up for a free trial and forgot to cancel, or perhaps you just didn't use the service as much as you anticipated. Whatever the reason, deciding to unsubscribe is a perfectly valid choice. But here's where it can get a little tricky. Sometimes, the path to cancellation isn't always clearly signposted. Companies, naturally, want to retain their customers, and while Rocket Lawyer aims for a user-friendly experience, navigating their cancellation policy can sometimes feel like a treasure hunt. This isn't unique to Rocket Lawyer. Many subscription services employ similar strategies, from making you call customer service to burying the cancellation link deep within their website. The goal of this video is to demystify that process, providing you with a clear, step-by-step guide to successfully unsubscribe from Rocket Lawyer without the headache. We'll cover everything from logging into your account to confirming your cancellation, and even discuss some common pitfalls to avoid. So, if you're ready to reclaim those monthly dollars and simplify your digital life, let's dive in. The very first step in unsubscribing from Rocket Lawyer is to access your account. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have multiple email addresses or have used different login methods in the past. Head over to the Rocket Lawyer website. You can easily find it by searching Rocket Lawyer on Google. Once on their homepage, look for the Login or Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your registered email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. There's typically a Forgot Password link you can click to reset it. Follow the prompts, which usually involve receiving an email with a reset link. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be on your Rocket Lawyer dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all your documents, services, and account settings. Now that you're in your account, the next step is to navigate to your account settings or membership details. The exact phrasing might vary slightly as websites undergo updates, but you're generally looking for something like My Account, Settings, Membership, or Subscription. Often, this can be found by clicking on your profile icon or your name, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu should appear, revealing various options. From there, select the option that relates to your account or membership. You're aiming to reach the section where you can view your current subscription plan, billing information, and, most importantly, the option to manage or cancel your membership. Once you're in the membership or subscription section, you should see details about your current plan, including your billing cycle and the features included. Look for a button or link that says Cancel Membership, Manage Subscription, Downgrade, or something similar. This is the golden ticket you've been searching for. Click on it. At this point, Rocket Lawyer might present you with a few options. They might offer you a reduced rate, suggest pausing your membership, or inquire about your reason for canceling. Companies do this to understand why customers are leaving and to potentially retain them. You are not obligated to accept any of these offers. If your goal is simply to cancel, proceed with the cancellation. You might be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. While this is optional, providing feedback can be helpful for the company to improve their services. You can select a reason from a drop-down menu or type in your own explanation. After providing a reason or skipping it, you'll likely encounter a confirmation screen. This is a crucial step. Make sure to read the information carefully. It should clearly state that your membership will be canceled and when the cancellation will take effect. Often, Your access to premium features will continue until the end of your current billing period. To finalize the cancellation, you'll usually need to click a final Confirm Cancellation or Complete Cancellation button. Do not skip this step. Your subscription will not be canceled until you've confirmed it. After successfully completing all the steps, it's highly recommended to verify your cancellation. Rocket Lawyer should send you an email confirmation of your cancellation. Check your inbox and even your spam or junk folder for this email. This email serves as your official record of cancellation and can be very useful if any issues arise later. If you don't receive a confirmation email within a few minutes, it's a good idea to log back into your Rocket Lawyer account and double-check your membership status. It should clearly state that your membership is canceled or will be canceled at the end of your current billing cycle. If you're still unsure or encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Lawyer's customer support. They can provide direct assistance and confirm your cancellation status. You can typically find their contact information, such as a phone number or live chat option, on their website's Contact Us or Help page. Now, a few important things to keep in mind throughout this process. First, be aware of your billing cycle. As mentioned, your access usually continues until the end of the current billing period. So plan your cancellation accordingly to avoid being charged for an additional month you don't intend to use. Second, if you signed up through a third-party service like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, the cancellation process might be slightly different. In such cases, you'll need to manage your subscription directly through that third-party platform's settings. For example, on an iPhone, you would go to your device's settings, then your Apple ID, then subscriptions, and manage it from there. Similarly, for Android users, you'd head to the Google Play Store app, then your profile icon, and then payments and subscriptions. Lastly, retain any confirmation emails or screenshots of your cancellation for your records. This can be invaluable if there are any discrepancies, or if you need to dispute a charge later on. While the process is generally smooth, having your own proof can save you a lot of hassle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.